Yo, what's going on? Damn, my truck needs a wash. Should be good. Got my boy came through. That boy Steven with the CBR. It's a 500, but that thing's good for a start off bike. Boy, today I got my brother's bike. It's a 1200 cc. I'm gonna be doing a review on it. Gonna take a cruise first and find a spot somewhere, talk about it. But that's what it looks like. Dope. Alright, let's go. Been a minute. Well, since I rode this bike, when my brother bought it, I had took it with me. I was the one to drive it. He didn't have his license at the time. Take a little cruise first, and then I'll stop by somewhere we could talk about the bike. Maybe at the airport, man. I usually like going to the airport. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna take him to the airport. Take my boy to the airport. I don't think he's taking that little road. It's a good little road to go around. He just started riding. It's been probably like a couple months now, 2-3 months. Yeah, I wanted him to get a cruiser, right? But I mean, everybody got their own cup of tea. His was a sport bike. I just feel like they're more dangerous, man. The torque on them, and not only that, but it'll make you want to go crazy, man. I reviewed a 600 and I turned it in the exact same day because every red light they wanted to race. Yeah, man, I like this bike a lot. It's aggressive. It's an aggressive stand. 1200C. It's a classic. These Sportsters, man, they've been around since the 50s. And the Harley lineup. Sportsters, I think they're like the longest lineup that actually stayed within the line of Harley. Yeah, man, these things they're good, man. They're real good. The AA3 is the one that I own. This is a 1200, and then I think there's a Sportster 48. All those bikes right there, they're good for beginner bike to learn. Feels good out here. In case y'all didn't know. What's up? When I drop the shift, it pops way. That's what the engine brake does sometimes. If you change your exhaust, whenever you do engine braking, sometimes it pops way. You still have you messed with the engine brake or not? Have you messed with the engine brake? Yeah. It helps, bro. It helps, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna take him down the airport, man. I like going down that way. Pretty dope. Oh, got a biker bud right here. Looks like a dirt bike. I'm gonna save the battery a little bit. because I want to do a review on the bike. I want to talk to y'all about it. Oh damn, no! Gotta stop somewhere, pump gas. We could do that. The airport right here.
What happened?
Man, that little bump, bro, it pumped it. Yeah. Alright, we just pulled up to the spot. We out here in the airport. This is where I usually come to shoot my videos. But yeah, man, check it out. We got that Roo Rock. That Roo Rock, the gold visor. Fire. Yes, sir. But anyways, man, this is the 1200. It's beautiful, man, with that chrome. I'm not a fan of it because you gotta maintain it a lot, clean it. But it's free, it's dope, man. It looks badass. This is a 1200cc. It's a classic. And it performs well, man. So you got that air intake. The exhaust pipes, they're not stock. They're vance&haines. Some loud pipes. Yes, sir. It's fuel injected, also belt driven. Belt driven, fuel injected. These were not stock. These are crash bars my brother added. These are, it sits about 26.6 inches. It sits pretty low, but it's a decent bike to start off with. Beautiful bike. Sissy bar right there, my brother added that too. That's not stock. And then also he changed the speedometer. That's not stock either. It's an LED one. Mirrors, flipped them for him. You know, when they're up on top, man, you really don't have that much visual. But yeah, man, beautiful bike. This is the stock seat right here. Pretty sure it is. It's a 2-up seat. And the windshield is a quick detachable windshield. I don't know if that came with it, if it was stock or not. I doubt it. I think it's dope. It was good. It's a two-toned. Y'all can see. Yeah, it blocks some good wind off of you. Oh, he also added these Boss speakers. They're pretty loud, man. When the bike is off, they're loud. But them pipes are pretty loud, man. So when you're riding, you can't really hear that much. It's a 4.5 gallon tank. 42 miles in the city. about 57 in the highway. The brakes on it, hydraulic disc brakes. They're good brakes. It's not a 2-disc, but it does its thing. And got the highway pegs on here too. You can chill when you're riding in the highway. The weight on the bike, it's about, when it's wet, it's about 582 pounds. And then when it's dry, it's 553. Yes, sir. It's a nice bike. And then this LED is the day maker, the headlight. That's not stock either. That was aftermarket. Yeah, Sportster, man. They've been around since 1950s. They've been on the Harley lineup for forever. I forgot what year it is, man. I don't want to say. I'm not too sure. But it's an older model, classic. Not gonna get rid of it, man. He's gonna keep it. This thing that holds the seat, those are actual shells in there, 22s. It's pretty dope. The guy that owned it before my brother, he was in the army. And also it got the heel to toe shifter. Freaking badass, man. Badass. I'll give y'all a sound test real quick. The pipes, the vance&haines, man, they're always gonna be loud on the Harley. I think they're called the short shots. The ones I got on the iron, they're called the hand grenades. These are the short shots. Check it out. Gotta love that popping. Dope. Alright, man, we're gonna do some more riding. Alright, so I'm getting some drone footage right now. Sun, yeah. Ooh, look at this scene, bro. Look at this scene. Yeah.
Like, do it like that. Fuck it. And see if you can edit the sun in some kind of way.